Hello, everyone. My name is Nick Vescio. I'm a high school history and English teacher in a charter school in downtown Pittsburgh. For this project, I wanted to center my hypothesis on secondary education. My idea spurred from thinking about the state of honors or advanced classes in secondary settings. I'm in the camp that believes the current honors system is not very welcoming to students that have the capabilities for success but start late in the programs. Using the classification prediction model, data analysis, I propose that schools would be able to identify with accuracy whether or not students will succeed in core course honors programs. Classification is best used when the dependent variable in the research is categorical, such as dropout rates, pass fail, or even live or die. In this case, we'd be looking at dropout rates or pass fail. Using this information, schools could weigh the idea of providing a pre-honors program to scaffold the intensity of honors. My thoughts My thoughts are that this information will give a hard percentage of students that will drop or fail their first year in honors. Obviously, this is, of course, a prediction. This doesn't mean that these students aren't capable of being successful in honors. Many of them were simply not prepared. My assumption is that the percentage of drop fails is pretty high, comparatively speaking, to general education. Honors is supposed to be more difficult, yes. However, in a lot of cases, these numbers are inflated because students select honors when they were not ready. A required pre-honors program for honors candidates in ninth grade will ultimately lower the number of drop fails that were originally predicted. Using the classification prediction model, the pre-honors program can be developed to accurately meet student needs. And if you take a close look at my, very difficult to understand rough estimate of my process here, um, the first step obviously would be conducting the prediction analysis. You would consider maybe doing a survey to gather the data, male, female, age or grade level. In my opinion, I think it makes more sense to do grade level, but I could totally see I can see an argument for either. Um, GPA, whether or not the student had participated in um, any kind of advanced or honors courses in middle school. So this might be something that you do either in between. You would implement this survey either in between 8th and ninth grade or during 8th grade, and get your information from there. Not all middle schools will provide some kind of advanced or honors courses. Many, like Christian academies or small private schools, might not have anything like that. And then from there, use that information to implement a pre-honors program. Um, and this would then allow students to stay in the classroom, in the general education classroom, in ninth grade, but receive more difficult work along with the work that's already being assigned to them. This gives students an accurate, um, idea as to what honors is gonna look like, and from there they're able to make that decision if they want to continue or not. And this gives teachers a better understanding of what kind of student they are and if they're prepared for honors courses. From there, after a few years or after a year, the school can reevaluate using maybe a different set of parameters based on what they found previously or how well or not well the pre-honors program has worked. I think this is a way for schools to nail down what their student body needs and how they operate, and this will ultimately lead in a higher percentage of passing and successful grades for the honors courses. Thank you all for listening. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate your time.